This word focuses on what we haven't achieved. I still can't do it. I'm still finding it tough. I'm still too fat. Whereas already, this word acknowledges what we have accomplished, and that's positive and powerful and results in better thoughts and actions. Already I'm finding it easier. Already I've started losing weight. Well, today I have a similar thought for you, and it's tied to gratefulness. And it's the difference between if only and at least. If only, this word focuses on what we haven't got or achieved. It focuses on the lack and what's missing. And it makes you wish for more. For example, if only I was thinner, if only I could do that, if only I had that whatever, I'd be happy. Whereas at least, this word acknowledges what we have got or accomplished. It doesn't focus on the lack, but focuses on the abundance. It makes you be thankful. It helps you focus on the smaller things and shifts your perspective, and it helps us be grateful.